Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today we're going to be doing a midweek portfolio update. We've been outperforming the market now on a week-to-week basis for the majority of the year. I think it's been something like 30 weeks straight at least. So this week we are up about 1.5% currently, which is about $455. On the month we are up about $740, and on the past 3 months we have a 20% return, which is about $5,500. Looking at the market as a whole, it's been a relatively rough week for the market. We had a couple of red days, but ultimately we're still positive for the week, about 1.4%. Which is right about where my portfolio is currently, and about the same on the month. We have about a 2.6% return in the past month on the S&P 500. We are within a few points of all-time highs. The SPY is around 370, so it is a little bit high in my opinion. First, let's start with my stock holdings. So I've actually trimmed my portfolio quite significantly. I've almost completely deleveraged my portfolio just because I've found cheaper ways, and the market's at all-time highs. I don't want to get caught leveraged with the market at all-time highs. If a crash comes, it could, do a lot of damage to people who are over-leveraged. My current stock holdings, we have 100 shares of Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I'm selling covered calls on this position. We also have some shares of AT&T, Wendy's, which I'm selling calls, SH, which is a hedge, MJ, which is the cannabis ETF. We have some air products and chemicals, APD, UVXY, 200 shares, which is a hedge, which has actually been completely getting destroyed. Alibaba, I have 7 shares, which is about $2,000 currently invested. I think Alibaba is a good stock that is somewhat undervalued currently. So I'm about flat on that position, but it is one of my biggest stock holdings. We also have Campbell's Soup, which is a new holding I picked up, I believe, yesterday. We picked this up at just under $47 per share, which is a pretty good price in my opinion. I actually sold a call today. We take in a $20 premium and it expires at the end of the week. So either we're going to get $20 for free or we're going to sell our shares for an over $100 profit. We also have VXX and SQQQ. These are both hedge positions, meaning they go up when the market goes down. So I'm holding a few shares of each of those. Unilever, American Water, Walmart, which I bought shares of today, along with Target, Facebook, General Mills, Procter & Gamble, Kroger, which I'll talk about in a minute, Zoom Video, and a little bit of Big Commerce. This is just a speculative position, just a few $100s. I think it's relatively cheap compared to where it's been for the majority of the year. So I took a risk and I picked up some shares. Looking at my option positions, we have a bunch of weekly options actually, which are extremely risky, of course. Most of these are actually going to expire worthless. We have UUP, which is calls on the dollar, which has been not doing very well. Our covered call on Campbell's Soup, along with MJ, and a cash secured put on Kroger. So I sold a Kroger $31 strike price put. So the outcome of this is that I will get to keep the credit, or I will buy 100 shares at $31 a piece, which they were just at like $34, $35 maybe. So buying them at $31, I'm not too worried about that. We also have some SPY puts, SQQQ calls, so some more hedge positions. We have a cash secured put on ATT. So this is another cash secured put. Either we're going to pick up some shares at $30 a piece, or we're going to get to keep some full premium. Lastly, I have some longer term options going into 2021 and further. A lot of hedge positions for January. We have UVXY, SQQQ, XPXS, more SQQQ, and some gold calls. I picked these up recently. gold is Barrick Gold. This is actually a company and not the actual metal. However, they do tend to move pretty similar. So that's my current position. That's what I'm holding. It's a relatively deleveraged portfolio than what I usually show you guys. Usually I have a lot more invested, a lot more different companies, but we've kind of taken a lot of leverage off the table, taking risk off the table and holding our profits. So we're outperforming the market once again. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the channel. Don't forget, smash that like button. Drop a comment below. Let me know which your favorite holding is right now, which stocks you're buying, which stocks you're selling. I want to share ideas with you guys so we can, make money and make trades together. So thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button, and we'll talk to you guys soon.